What's up, everybody? Here we are. We about to show you how to cook a salmon. This is Lalo Mariali live at you from the 919. Yeah, everybody. So like I said, we're gonna be cooking a salmon. We got the seasonings right here. We got the linguine right here. We're gonna be making an Alfredo pasta. What's gonna be in the pasta is gonna be shrimp, scallops, red chili pepper, onions, tomatoes, sliced mushrooms, spinach, and minced garlic. So everybody, the first step, of course, is put the linguine in the bowl. So you know that's how you do it. You don't break it. Whoever told you to break it, get your money back. He'll bench you. Anyway, we're gonna keep it moving. This serves about 8 people. You know, I ain't gonna add the whole other box, but I am gonna add a few. So we're gonna leave that right there for a second. Now we're gonna come back to the salmon. So we're gonna cut it. Putting butter in this pan. Now we're gonna add the salmon. Boom. Skin side down first. Don't let it fall apart. So now we're going to season the other side while it's cooking on that side. And the butter, we're going to go ahead and season this side up. I had the heat a little low, so you want to keep it at a medium-high heat. It ain't going to take long. So here we are, we just stuck a half stick of butter in there. We're going to let that start to melt. We're going to go ahead and add 2 decent tablespoons of butter. Even 3 will work.
Of butter?
I mean of garlic. We just added 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. What? We're gonna go ahead and add the shrimp, guys. We're gonna go ahead and add the shrimp. Add the scallops. Add the onions. Oh dang. So we just added most of the stuff. We're gonna go ahead and add the red chili pepper. And we're gonna wait on the tomatoes just because it's so watery. We can go ahead and add the mushrooms as well. Y'all probably like, what type of Alfredo linguine is this? I don't know. I ain't gonna lie to you. We're gonna go ahead and flip the salmon. So now we're gonna add some seasoning up in here. There you go, guys. I just added the tomatoes now that the shrimps are 3/4 of the way cooked. You know when they're cooked, when they really turn pink. What's up, guys? This is our little baby girl. She's 11 months and 5 days. Analia. My first baby girl. She's also camera friendly. Say hey to the camera. Say papa. Say papa. Say papa. Say papa. You want to cook? Look what daddy making. Dude, we got some fishy. See, we needed Analia here the whole time. You my little angel. Mira. We're cooking your favorite seafood. Here you go. So we got this thing cooking. The shrimp's ready, the scallops are ready. Now we add the spinach. I'll put a whole bag of spinach because me, I'm like Popeye, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I eat some spinach, you better watch out. We just want to move the spinach around. Hey fish, don't forget about the fish. It's the main course right here. Oh yeah. It's really finished. We don't even have to do nothing much to it. And you know, we're gonna make sure it's a little brown like my skin. Still, you really want to move that butter around because that's what we're using today, boy. Extra creamy Alfredo Classico. You know what I'm saying? You just tap it, pour it generously to the church. Alright, we're gonna keep going. You don't want to add 2 whole bottles, maybe 1.5, you know what I'm saying? And we'll go from there. We'll see how it turns out. I'm looking for the little crab hands. Where they at? There they go. Crab hands. We're just gonna, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, baby! Look at that. I'm in the kitchen. You in the kitchen. Alright guys, so the salmon's pretty much ready. We're just gonna put it right here onto a napkin. Alright, we're just gonna go ahead and taste it. Uh-oh, get back. Here goes the pasta. We're just gonna go ahead and dump it. So everything here is pretty much done. We'll meet you back at the table. What's up, everybody? So here we go. We got the salmon, the shrimp, the scallops, everything ready to go. First, let's try this right here. I want to get a scallop because I'm really curious to see how it tastes. Really good. Here's the moment of truth. You probably need a knife. I don't know. The skin's kind of tough. Smells good. Looks good. Tastes good. I'll see y'all in the next video, guys. Subscribe, like, and everything like that. Something for Shalene. This thing still got some scales. By the way, this is what every chef does in the kitchen. That's why we ain't even hungry by the time it's time to eat. So we're gonna come right here. What you think? A 1 to 10, ¿qué le da?
Yes.
Whoo, and he ain't lying, alright. Alright, we got over here Justin. What do you give it?
10.
Oh, he not lying either. He'll tell you the truth. We got Allison in the back. That's Mrs. TikTok right there. She be TikToking all day, every day. What do you think? Ooh, and they not lying. Here's my beautiful wife right here. She got a little spinach down her throat, but she be alright. Look at my baby. She trying to get the camera. What do you give it?
I give it a 20.
So how's the fish? How's the pasta?
Tu pescado está un poquito saladito.
She said it's perfectly seasoned.
Yo no hablo inglés.
Nah, for real, what you think? What you gotta say? You like the pasta? Yes? Oh, now she don't want to talk. We got the mother-in-law over there hiding. What you think? 1 to 10. Oh, she can't talk. It's down her mouth.